Is this
Dirty toilet.
let Sarah do it first and then you.
Pee-pee.
Honey, you miss it. Hey! You miss what just happened. Let's see if she's gonna do it again. Look.
Baby.
What is this?
Baby.
No, it's tissue.
Tissue.
Very good.
Dirty toilet.
So Tyler is a Frenchman.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Fizz, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. You guys caught me slipping in the supermarket today. Starting the vlog from on the streets. Pick up my kids from school and we're at the supermarket. One is here keeping her occupied, the other one is making himself useful with the supermarket list. Tyler, we had chicken, so we're doing a little supermarket shopping and then we're gonna head back home. It is Tuesday evening and we had a busy weekend, so hence we are doing our shopping now. But that's okay, we do what we gotta do. Yes, on the school day. Say hello to Fibs.
Hello, Faith.
Sarah, say hello to Fibs.
Hello, Faith. Mama.
Yes, sir, Tyler.
Yesterday I had carrot and today I have pureed carrot.
That's okay. So you have carrot 2 days in a row?
Yes.
It's good for your eyesight.
And Mama?
Yes, Ty.
That don't have the baby food at me because they're allergic to something.
Uh-huh. Good job. Alright, let's go find salmon.
Always don't have time to have prep to make me prep for breakfast on school mornings. So like that I can make my own prep even. Like that you
Go
don't
for
need
it.
to waste your time. I'm gonna eat them.
What date is today?
Today is the 20th.
It expired tomorrow.
What the?
This one expired 22.
22.
Okay, it's only 2 in it.
Well, I'll finish it on the 22, sir.
5 is in this one.
I need to expire
22. So 2 would remain, but if I put it in the fridge, it won't expire.
and I can keep it.
Okay, I'll get it.
So we do that program.
What? The supermarket is so empty on a Tuesday, my. Empty. I love it on a Tuesday.
Mama?
Nobody is here.
Mama?
Nobody. What?
Sarah.
Back up. Wow, the fish section is beautiful.
I love the lemon.
It's fake lemon, they're not real.
Oh yes, the plastic.
Yes, it's plastic.
But it's very pretty.
This fish is pretty, but expensive.
It's very
Who wants snails? Hold your spot, it's time for the supermarket haul. Sarah, go up. Sarah, go up. You have to go up and sit. We are back. We made it. We are back from the supermarket. Sit. You're going to win? You think you're going to win?
Yes.
What is this?
Raspberries.
Not raspberry. What is
Raspberries. And what
it? Very
is this?
good. Somebody asked in the comment section that one of us needs to do the fruits only do the haul in French so you can learn French. But that was always the plan. I don't know why we deviate from that. What is this?
Raspberries.
No, not raspberry.
Raspberries.
Very good. C'est quoi en français, Tyler?
Framboise.
Stand up. You're the Frenchman.
Framboise.
Bravo.
Avec traducteur.
C'est ton téléphone. Pas moi. Mouche.
Mouchoir.
Paper towel. Napkin. What we call it? Paper towel, napkin, something like that. And my husband's phone ringing.
Mama, mouchoir. Mama.
You? Mama Sue open it for you. Okay, let's finish the haul first. Okay, what is this?
Papier toilette.
Let Sarah do it first and then you.
Pee-pee.
Honey, you miss it. Hey! You miss what just happened. Let's see if she's gonna do it again. Look. What is this?
Pee-pee.
No, it's tissue.
Tissue.
Very good.
Papier toilette.
So Tyler is a Frenchman.
I'm the traducteur.
Okay,
Is
film
a Frenchman or
wrap.
is a caveman?
Film wrap. What is it in French?
Film.
Film étirable.
Film wrap.
Sarah, what is that?
Blackberry. C'est quoi en français?
Framboise.
No.
The red one is framboise. Okay, c'est quoi ça? What is this?
Banana. Banane.
Very good.
Avocat. Avocado.
Very good.
Yogurt. Yaourt.
Bravo.
Yaourt. Yaourt.
Plus de yaourt. Yogurt.
More yogurt, Tyler says. Ah.
C'est quoi ça, Sarah?
Tomate.
Tomate. Tomato.
Stop doing that. What is this?
Tomato sauce.
No. Sweet potato fries.
Frites. Frites de patates.
No potatoes.
Patates. Frites de patates.
Yes, sir.
Sarah, c'est quoi ça?
Mushroom. Champignons.
Very good. What is this?
Champignons.
This one.
Les green beans.
Yes.
That's not lait.
Green beans. What is
Crème
this?
légère.
This one.
Haricots verts.
Okay, we go to the English first, then the French, okay?
Mini.
This one.
Sausage. Saucisse.
Very good.
Barbecue.
You are barbecue?
Yogurt.
Yes, Papa.
Yaourt. Yaourt.
Sarah?
Very good. This one. Sarah.
Chicken.
No.
Salad.
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Shrimp.
Oui. Say it again.
Crevette.
Oui.
What is that?
Coconut.
what? It's garbage bag.
Garbage bag.
Papier poubelle. Sac de poubelle. Okay, this one. Don't listen to Tyler. Tyler's a madman. What is this, Sarah?
I was wrong. I didn't really know the name.
What is this? Egg.
Sarah?
I didn't really
What
know
is that?
the name. That's why.
That's okay, you know it now.
What is that?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower. No. Flour.
Flower.
Yes.
Farine.
Good
What
job.
is that?
Lemon.
She wants it. Okay, let's go. Continue, Sarah. Sarah, what is this? Lettuce.
Lemon.
Lettuce.
Laitue.
Sarah?
Chocolat au lait.
Okay.
Crêpe.
Sarah, what is this?
Sarah? What is that?
Compote.
Let me see if tell her. Oh, it's not compote in English.
It's not compote.
It's
Apple juice?
Yeah.
pure
Pure
fruit.
fruit.
I just say pure fruit. They call it
Avec des
compote in
pommes.
French.
Compote de pommes, mais c'est petit, les purée de pommes.
Mais on met pas trop.
Sarah, what is this?
de pommes.
Spatula. What is this? That? Spatule.
Spatule.
This, Sarah?
Coconut.
Coconut milk.
Coconut. Milk.
Tyler.
Lait de coco.
Very good.
Sarah?
Juice. Oh, I didn't
Sarah. Arugula.
Rucola. I don't know.
It's on it.
Roquette.
Very good.
C'est comme le port salut, c'est écrit dessus. We have other juice.
This one.
Chicken.
No. Everything is chicken for Sarah. Yes. Salmon.
Saumon.
Somo.
Saumon.
Avec du saumon. Lemon.
What is this? What is that?
C'est quoi ça, Sarah?
Hair oil.
Hair oil. Gel.
No. No. Louis. He said yes.
Sarah?
It was
Sorry.
Sarah, what is that?
chicken.
I'm broken. Poulet.
What is
But
that?
Mama, I
That's
sneeze.
right.
I need to tell it all.
She's into the lemon. She finds something.
Yeah.
Nutella.
Some of these things are duplicate.
If somebody wants to send her a gift for Christmas,
Biscuit.
send her lemon.
Biscuits.
But Mama, you also need straight to me.
Chicken
I heard you said a biscuit. That's why I didn't show
Jus
it to you.
d'orange. Poulet.
Okay, pecan nut.
Noix de pécan.
Oui. Cheese.
Fromage.
Brie.
It's still fromage.
Brie.
Juice for the kids.
Jus.
Biscuit for the kids. Show you that early. Cookie for the kids.
Cookie.
And for the nut kids.
Nutella snack.
Barre au Nutella.
Chocolate bread.
For Sarah. Sarah love it.
Sarah love it. Tyler love it too, but Sarah will find that Sarah love it lately. Donut.
Donut.
We have one
Donuts.
more bag. Oh no, finish. Alright. It's time for the rock, paper, scissors. Watch how she abandoned her lemon in that she ready. Come on, Ty. Let's go.
Mama. Around Sarah.
No, everything around her
Allez,
okay
plus
for
fort.
now.
Allez, papa.
Ali, Papa. Ali, Tai Tai.
Ali, Tai Tai.
Ali, Tai Tai.
Alright, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Tyler, focus.
Okay.
What's your rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One baby ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two, Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come, you have to play with you too. Come. Come, Dave.
Mama,
Each time you defeat Tyler, I play with you. But when
Oh, it's the
Tyler
mini
wins,
boss and you're the boss.
try it. Come. I'm tired of your man. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. How much that?
1-1.
1-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2-1. Rock,
Don't
paper,
need to
scissors,
count.
3-1.
shoot. No.
I did that and you did that. So that's 3 now, 2 now, 3.
Baby shark.
No.
No, replay.
That's 2-1.
Watch the camera and you'll see the victory.
Replay.
No, him same win.
We'll look on the camera.
I can't sick and tired of being winning.
When you're going
Yes, I look on the camera when we are going to play. Papa, I'm tired of Papa winning.
Yeah.
Sarah, we're waiting on you to shuffle.
And now Papa putting
Shuffle.
Sarah. And now Papa.
Papa, yeah?
Oh no.
Daddy.
Okay, Sarah, not shuffle.
Now Papa is winning. Now Papa.
Okay.
Now Sarah is with Papa.
Sarah, you're on Papa team. Alright, it's time for dinner. Sarah, what's wrong?
She said wiggle.
She said wiggle. She wants to wiggle.
Papa. Wiggle.
Anyway, I guess babe defeat both me and Tyler. Again, I'm sick and tired of him winning. Anyway, I'm going to go give my fam bam dinner and pack out these things. So I'll catch you guys in a bit.
It's a good exercise.
This is a good exercise. Yes, I see you on time. You two are something else. You're dizzy now.